How to replace a laptop battery. Using Precision Tool, unscrew the back cover of the laptop. Use a proper tool to prevent damage on the screw or in the laptop itself. Carefully pry the back cover using a pry tool. Remove all the screw holding the battery. Before pulling the battery, you need to remove the speaker wire attached to it. Keep in mind that the same battery specification must be used in replacing the battery to avoid further damage on the laptop. As you can see here, the replacement battery is similar to the old one. You can always check the battery specification from the manufacturer's website, or you can open the back cover of the laptop to make sure of its model is right before buying the replacement. Place the new battery on the laptop and don't forget to attach the speaker cable to it. It is a good practice to take a photo of the laptop before removing any components, so all of them will be returned to its place as it is. Check the battery if it is working properly by plugging the power adapter to the laptop and removing it. The laptop must be remain powered even after removing its charger. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.